today our model is my friend Beans. Today our video is sponsored and provided by West Kiss Hair. So this wig in particular that you'll be seeing at the end of the video, because the hair is amazing, it's 180% density. It's a 13 by 4 lace front wig, and it's 22 inches, and it's an HD lace. So basically the install is per usual. I did a ball cap on her. I used Ghost Bond hair glue. Okay, so I got this question actually on my Instagram, and it was like the question about the hair glue. The hair glue does matter. I've tried a variety of brands for like wig installations, and I did notice when you're trying to install wigs and the glue doesn't get very tacky, your wig will slide. When you sweat, your wig will lift. So I personally like to use Ghost Bond because I do have a tendency of nervous sweating, and so I'll get the hairline sweat and my wig doesn't like lift or detach or whatever like that. Sometimes I do have to touch up the wig in the mornings if I do sleep in the wig, but other than that, I don't have any issues. I did start adding the additional step of the Got2b spray on the hairline because the spray covers any area that I missed with the glue. So it's just like an extra reinforcement, if you're wondering. So yeah, that's a step that I added, and it hasn't been a miss. I feel like the installation has got that much better. So the hair is beautiful. It did minimal shedding. I did do a full shampoo and condition wash on it. So I highly recommend that, especially if the hair is like a curl. So, you want to make sure you run your hands through the curls. Maybe you want to like redefine the curls by like putting gel, not gel, but like mousse in it and scrunching up the hair, and or you want to wet it and like braid it and have it a little bit of a wavier curl instead of it being a tight curl, or you can put flexi rods in it so the curls will be a little more defined, however you want to do it. But I do highly recommend you fully washing and conditioning your any type of wig that's like a deep curl pattern. Also, you can get a better idea of how the hair is gonna stand up. So this hair, after I washed it, I didn't have any issues with it. I didn't have to pluck it. I didn't bleach the knots. I feel like that was, I didn't have to do it. And also it gave me like a better idea of the quality of wig that they're giving me. So it's not a horrible thing if you bleach or have to pluck the wig, but if you're spending a certain amount of money, for me it's like over $100 because I be struggling sometimes. So if I'm spending over $100 on a wig, the less I have to do to it, I'm even more happy with it. I feel like I got a lot of bang for my buck. So I really do appreciate how well put together this wig was. The cap construction on the inside it's really nice. Beans told me it was very comfortable. She's not, she does wear wigs, but she doesn't wear them like I do. So her wigs do have to be comfortable. And then also her wig size is different than mine. So the wig fits on me and it fits on her. So it's very small and big head friendly. There's adjustable straps on it. There's combs. There's 4 combs. 2 combs on the side, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. So yeah, I installed it on her. I just slide it on my head before I cut the lace. I just slide it on because that's that's how I am. I gotta check it out too. So I really do like the wig. She loves it. It looks really pretty on her, as you can see. So the rest of the video, of course, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the rest of the install, how I did it on my friend's head. So, if you want to stay and watch the rest of the installation, that's great. If you don't, fast forward to the end so you can see the end result. Either way, thank y'all guys for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next wig review. Bye.